Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the simplest yet most powerful natural remedies out there, baking soda. That's right, this common kitchen staple has some incredible health benefits that most people don't even know about. What happens if you take just 1 spoon of baking soda every day? Stick around because the results might just surprise you. First up, baking soda is a natural alkalizer. One of the key benefits of consuming a small amount of baking soda every day is that it helps balance your body's pH levels. Most of our diets tend to be acidic, which can contribute to health issues like inflammation, fatigue, and poor digestion. Baking soda's alkalizing effect can neutralize excess acids in the body, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic conditions. If you've ever suffered from indigestion, heartburn, or acid reflux, baking soda might be your new best friend. When taken in moderation, baking soda acts as an antacid, neutralizing stomach acid and providing quick relief from digestive discomfort. It can help soothe an upset stomach and ease bloating. Just dissolve a spoonful in water and drink it on an empty stomach for maximum effect. Did you know that athletes sometimes use baking soda to enhance their performance? It's true. Baking soda helps buffer lactic acid buildup in muscles, which can delay fatigue and improve endurance. If you're into high-intensity workouts, taking a small amount of baking soda before exercise could give you that extra edge to push through longer and harder without muscle soreness. Baking soda can also play a role in supporting kidney health. Studies have shown that taking baking soda may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by balancing the body's acid levels. It helps the kidneys function more efficiently, reducing the workload on them. However, always check with your doctor before adding baking soda to your routine if you have kidney concerns. Another surprising benefit of baking soda is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Recent research suggests that baking soda can trigger an anti-inflammatory response in the immune system, which may help conditions like arthritis. By lowering inflammation, baking soda could improve joint pain and reduce the risk of other inflammation-related diseases. If you're looking to boost your oral hygiene, baking soda can help here too. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps remove plaque and stains from teeth, making it a great natural teeth whitener. It also neutralizes harmful acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Swishing with a baking soda solution or brushing with it occasionally can improve your oral health. Before you start adding baking soda to your daily routine, it's important to know that moderation is key. Too much baking soda can lead to unwanted side effects, such as nausea, increased thirst, or high blood pressure due to its high sodium content. Always consult with your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. So, what happens if you take 1 spoon of baking soda every day? It can help balance your pH levels, boost digestion, support exercise performance, improve kidney health, fight inflammation, and even promote oral health. But remember, always start with small amounts and consult with your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.